Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the clock phase rules and also about the solenoid in with how does the magnetic field behaves. First, we come to the rule that is called clock phase rules. It tells the polarity of the circular loop in with the current flows. For example, you see that in a circular loop, if the direction of the currents is a clockwise, then that phase must be the south pole. South pole. We want to say that if the circular loop in which the current flows and the direction of the current is clockwise, then that phase must be the determined as a south pole of the circular loop. In if the flows of current is anti-clockwise, it means that phase of the circular loop indicate as a north magnetic poles. This is the rules tells. This is all about the clock phase rules. It means क्लॉक फेज रूल्स के थ्रू हम क्या जानते हैं, हम किसी भी सर्कुलर लूप के फेज के पोलरिटी को जानते हैं कि वेदर दैट पोल इज अ साउथ और नॉर्थ. इट कैन बी डिटरमिन थ्रू द क्लॉक फेज रूल्स. सो ये एक रूल्स था छोटा सा, उसको आपको हम बता दिए. नाउ वी कम टू द magnetic field due to the solenoids. What is solenoids? When we say solenoids, what is solenoids? You see here, this is the wire, and that in the form of coil. And this wire is a insulated copper wires. When insulated copper wire wind in this way and their shape is like a cylindrical, then this system of coil, that is called solenoids. But when these solenoids, it is made up of the wires, when it connect through the source of electricity, then their behavior is similar as the bar magnets. As we know that in a bar magnet, what we see that when we trace the path of the magnetic field in a bar magnet, we see that the magnetic field lines always emerge from the north pole and merge into the south pole. And also we know in a bar magnet that into the bar magnet, all the magnetic field lines parallel to each other. Likewise, here is also same behavior in a solenoid. So what behavior in a bar magnet that's similar to the behavior of the magnetic field line in a solenoids. And solenoid is what? It is simply a wire that coiled into a cylindrical form. But this solenoid is a current. In that current is flows. It means it also behaves like a magnet. So we change their strength also by changing the different factors. Like when we add more and more current into it, then this solenoids becomes a more strength of the magnetic fields. And when the number of coils is also increased, then their magnetic behavior is also increased. You see that here the solenoids is but this similar solenoids, you see here there is a bar magnet. This same type of behavior is also like in a solenoids. So this solenoids, when we insert soft iron core into it as a sheet, we insert soft iron core into it, then it becomes like a electromagnets. This same solenoids behaves like a magnet. When we put the sheet of the soft iron into it, then it behaves like a electromagnet. But in a solenoids, like in electromagnets, we see that we can change the polarity of the electromagnets, or we can change the polarity of the solenoids if we change the direction of the current. Sometimes it behaves like a south pole, but next time if we change the direction of the current, then we saw that this south pole also behaves like a north pole. Likewise here, when it is a north pole, when we change the direction of the current into it, then it also behaves like a south pole. So this is all about the solenoid. This is all about the solenoid in which the current, how does it behave, and the direction of the magnetic field is also same as in other cases. So this is the all about the. But one thing I want to all of you, all the figures related in a magnetic field line, you must practice daily, because these are the very important figures and they also ask in a board examination. Thank you.